Gigiti dance.
Imelda, showdown!
O yan, pwede yan. Party.
Okay, talapakan naman po natin ang ating first dance. Our next dance is a form of hunting dance or a monkey dance po. And also they believe that the monkey is a great hunter in the wild. No other animals to match their skill in terms of foraging and hunting. And this dance performed the younger generation while the elder parents out of looking forward. Wala po titingin sa taas, baka ito po ang makita nila.
Galing.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating monkey dance po. Our last dance or the third dance is not a form of hunting dance or animal dance. It is a war dance or binabayani or pagbabayani dance. During the misunderstanding arises between two tribes, they sent a warrior into fight, but before that to actual combat, they performed this dance to ask the guidance of their guide called the Punamayari to give them a victorious fight or somehow it resolved the problem into the great mountain. The war dance or binabayani or pagbabayani dance. And also our Aita brothers po, they believe that the great dancer is a great fighter. Okay, this is the end of the short but humble presentation especially for you made by our Aita brothers. So palakpakan naman po natin sila. Thank you po for watching. So pamay ko po, kindly stand up everyone and let's proceed to our next practice.
Ikaw din, sayo ka din, sayo ka din.
Mangay,